Mense, ek het gister die beste kos en biltong van my hele lewe hier geëet in Skotland. So ons is by die Edinburgh Station Yama, and people, I'm not gonna joke, this course was delicious. So I opted for the boerie bun with sauce, and mense, there's only one word to describe this thing. Lekker. Gareth went for pop and sauce, 2 chicken wings, and a creamy spinach. He also had some chuck, and of course a scarp choppy. Etienne was also kind enough to let me try some, and mense was actually spent I didn't get pop, because that pop was popping and the sauce just slapped. Anyways, Just a Taste of Africa se stalletjie was ook daar. Obviously I had to get us a few treats, which was some rooibos tee for my skoonpa, 2 packets of jelly tots, but Fetsie already ate one before I could film it, a boxy Astros, the original South African Dentist, a Wilson toffee, and dan ook the original Google, Chappies. Then Fetsie cried for some Cook Sisters, so I had to get him some mini Cook Sisters, and then I got those cute South African keyring. Toen ook malva pudding, peppermint crisp tart, you name it, daar's die pryslys, julle kan vir julleself kyk. O ja, en jy kan ook online bestel by Taste of Africa. So go look at their website. Then just had a fat jaw and I met a few new people. Shout out to Intabi that came to say hello to us yesterday. You're a dear. So if you want to come to the next event, keep your eye on the Edinburgh Station Yama Facebook page.